Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and Darren and I and Katie, are in Alabama, coming home from a Florida business trip. And Darren and I have this little idea. We're going to try to ride in as many states as we can. We already had a bunch, and he and I have separate states, but we want to ride them down as together. So we're in Alabama riding our bikes, and today, along with Dory's Dollies, let me stop here and tell you something about Dory. If you are not subscribed to her channel, it is your loss. Dory is fantastic. She knows dolls. She has everything. I don't care what kind of dolls you have, so does she. Go by Dory's channel and see her invitation today, but let me quickly invite you to 3 challenges that are fun every month. On the 16th, at 10, all of these are at 10 a.m. Central. You will need to Google that for your own area of what time to upload. We upload at the same time because then you will get more views. People actually sit down and go through them, and if they get to your channel and you don't have a video up, they skip it. If you have a video for a challenge or a collab, always put it in the comments of the person's channel you're watching. Dolls Gone Goth on the 16th at 10 a.m. We're going to do Bad Luck Charm or Goth Lolita style. Combined it'll be really cute. The little Dolls Gone Goth, you can use any doll at all. You can use a stuffed animal. We don't care, it's just fun. We want you to join in. And then each month, Dory and I also do on the 18th of each month, Hi Barbie. And that is Barbie doll or fashion doll. If you have a Dollar Tree Barbie, we don't care. We want you to join in and have fun with us. And this month is really something special. That's again on the 18th. We're going to have DIY Easter. Anything at all. If you buy those mini-verse and you have an Easter, it doesn't even have to be Easter related, and you want to put that together, or if you have a little bitty basket you want to make eggs for, or an outfit or a hat, anything DIY Easter. I'm really looking forward to that one. And then on April 3rd, we always have Amaya Raine Day, which is really any rainbow or shadow high doll you want to use. The theme will be, because it's April and April showers, be rain or rainbows. Now, we just did rainbows, yes we did, but we're going to emphasize bows. Bows in the hair, bows on the outfit, bows on the shoes, however you want to do it. Rainbows. Thank you so much for watching. Again, don't miss Dory's channel. She's linked in here. Subscribe to Dory if you haven't already and enjoy her channel. Let her know what kind of dolls you have. She has everything. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, join in, and subscribe.